The animals inside came out to play. Went face to face with all our fears, learned our lessons through the tears, made memories we knew would never fade. One day my father, he told me, son, don't let it slip away. He took me in his arms, I heard him say, when you get older, your wild heart will live for younger days. Think of me if ever you're afraid. He said one day you'll leave this world behind, so live a life you will remember. My father told me when I was just a child, these are the nights that never die. My father told me, ties the game. Curry steps back. Stephen Curry with some magic. Steps back, crossover, fires away. Wow! Another three from Curry. Fights the matchup with Love. Steps back, launches a three. Curry from downtown. Curry launches long three. Knocks it down. Clouds start pouring down. Light a fire they can't put out. Carve your name into the shining stars. He said go venture far beyond the shores. Don't forsake this life of yours. I'll guide you home no matter where you are. One day my father, he prays. I'll turn it. When I was just a kid, James trying to harass Curry. Curry off the dribble, layup off the glass. Curry putting on a show, scoring the basketball. How about pushing it? He said one day Curry had the foul. Curry has the pass. My father told me when I was just a child. But they don't have defenders in it. Curry drives. Out and one. That's not like that. Curry's got to put it up, launches it up, shot clock. Oh, he knocks it down. These are the nights that never die. My father told me.